Hi.
Oh no.
What?
I'm coming.
Big geese, big geese.
Can I
Westport Lake
Sure.
in Boslem.
Is there any babies?
Not this time of year. I wouldn't have thought so. No, they're going to be too skittish. He's having a rest here on one leg, look. Not a bird poo, I would say. That's a bird poo. Yeah, video. It's alright.
Me?
Yeah.
Hello everyone. How are you doing? Why isn't it starting? What can that harm? There's like a big wall.
Yeah. So yeah, we've come out to Westport Lake in Burslem, ST6. It's about 5 miles from where we live. I used to always come here as a kid because my grandmother lived in Burslem. It's kind of Burslem stroke Tunstall, I think this is. And Lily says she's been here. You've been here at school, Lil? She seems to remember it. And it's a beautiful weekend. It's sunny. We've not been out in ages because obviously lockdown, you can't travel far. So I just didn't really see the need to make a video, to be honest with you, for the sake of making one. It's the water.
Is it
It's like the stream really smells bad here.
That's off Friday night dinner. My bath is made of elm, Jackie. Elm, Jackie. Yes, elm.
Yeah, let's go back this way.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm filming on the Hero 9. So I've not done any of my videos on that before because obviously it's everyone I've been using and the Insta. It's only a pond, yeah. Be full of frogs born soon. And it's a gorgeous day. And of course, 20th of March is the beginning of spring, so we're only a few weeks off spring now. It's a very spring-like feeling in the air today. So we thought we'd just bring you out and show you Westport Lake. Skaters.
It's dead hard to enter.
You had them, didn't you?
Yeah, they're still in there. I don't think they'll fit anymore.
No.
Size 3.
Right, we've just come up along the path to the canal that runs adjacent to Westport Lake. So you see, it really is an absolutely beautiful day. Cause that's got satellite dish and everything, that has, Luke. How cool is that?
It's
path here, then we can cut back up there. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lothlorien, that's called, Lil. Hello.
Hi.
So there's a lot of people out. I mean, obviously we are still in lockdown. There's still... Should we carry on along to the end?
Where?
Along this path? Obviously there's still a lot of controversy over how far you can travel during the lockdown. Saying in your own village. I don't live in a village, I live in Stoke-on-Trent. So can I travel anywhere in Stoke-on-Trent? I've travelled about 6 miles to get to here. So am I breaking the rules? Yes, there's a lot of people, we're being careful, we're staying away from people.
But you can go on your bike.
But you can go on a push bike and cycle for 30 miles. Solar panels on this one, Lil.
Oh, it's lovely.
Look at that. Solar panels on that. Yeah, it's big, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's proper, you could live on anything like that, couldn't you?
Would you hire that?
Look at this.
Oh,
People own them, they live on them, this is their house. How beautiful. They're ace, aren't they? Must be so cosy in the winter.
See, like if you had children, would you have to go to school? Or would you
Yeah, you'd go. You'd
You'd have to go to like a different school every week or so.
no, it depends. You'd moor up and live here. This is your house.
Or you could do homeschooling.
See, a lot of them have got solar panels now, so then they'd have a battery. And the power goes into the battery.
No, I won't get involved.
Because that's really not a priority.
No, I won't. It's priority.
Some real quirky characters in Stoke-on-Trent.
That's nice, that was. Hurry.
Yeah, back at the visitor centre. Right, we're going to be heading back to the car now. Really bright sunshine now. Sun's going down. It is. What time is it now? Well,
Like,
it's 5 to 5 now.
when we get
Brilliant.
back, I'm going to go on the trampoline.
Okay, so you can go on a trampoline. So we're going to head back towards the car. We've had a walk. Tested a bit more on the Cam, Fun Cam 360 and 4K. Done a few photos that seem okay. I'll see you at the bottom. Okay. Hello, Lily. So this is the visitor centre at Westport Lake. So it's been made to look like a boat, Lil. Some struts and water, look. Obviously not open, nowhere's open. Back to the gadget mobile. It's had a wash today, it was minging. But I must admit it's nice to come out and have a bit of, only for half an hour or so, have some sunshine. Right, so enjoy your walk, Lil. Our walk stroke bike ride.
Yes, I did.
So,
indeed.
It's been 3 weeks, 4 weeks since we put a video up, since we went beach caves. Because, as I said, with lockdown, we just didn't see the point of coming out, to be honest with you. Obviously, it's coming to the end now. 20 million people vaccinated. Hopefully, we have turned a corner. Our values dropped, deaths have dropped, hospital admissions have dropped. I'm hopeful, and I can't wait to be able to get out wild camping again.
21st of June, then it might.
Well, we've got 8th of March, you're back at school. 10th, sorry, she's back at school. 29th of March, things open up again. And then, let's say, by June, but in April, I'm hoping by Easter, we're allowed to perhaps sneak out and do a wild camp. That's what I'm really hoping. But we'll see what happens, and as soon as we can start going out and do more videos and more explorations and more reviews. House has been upside down. We've had the plasterers in, haven't we, this last week? It's been mental, so no room to do videos even inside. So I hope you all stayed safe in the interim, and obviously until we see you again, you know, please stay safe all. Thank you very much to all my subscribers, new and old, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.